Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 11 trigonometry. In that, topic name is T ratios of 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Okay, finding T ratios of 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Now see Nana, how to find trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Consider an equilateral triangle ABC. Yes, equilateral triangle means what, Nana? We know in a triangle the length of the measure of any three sides are equal in length, then the triangle is called equilateral triangle. So see here, I am taking triangle ABC. It is an equilateral triangle. That meaning is three sides are equal. That is AB is equals to BC is equals to CA is equals to, I am taking A units. Okay na, because of three sides are equal in length, AB, BC, and C. And as well as we know angle A is equals to angle B is equals to angle C is equals to, that is 60 degrees. Equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. All sides are equal, all angles also equal. Okay, so we know that angle A measures 60 degrees, angle B measures 60 degrees, and angle C also measures 60 degrees. And the length of AB, the length of BC, the length of CA, three sides are equal, three angles are equal. Now what I am doing, draw a perpendicular from vertex A. Okay na? Draw a perpendicular AD. What na? Here, draw a perpendicular AD from vertex A. Then what I am doing here, see, I am going to draw a perpendicular AD. Now everyone observe carefully. AD is the bisector of angle A. అంటే యాంగిల్ ఏని ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా టూ ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ చేసింది. అంటే యాంగిల్ ఏ 60 degrees కాస్త ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ 30 degrees, and as well as it bisects the side BC also. Angle the perpendicular AD, it bisects angle A, and as well as it bisects side BC. అంటే the length of BC, what I taken, that is the length of AB is equals to BC is equals to CA is equals to, I taken A na, the length of AC is A, the length of AB is A units, the length of BC also, that is A units only, but it bisect chesindi kabatti it becomes off, that is nothing but A by 2. Okay, now what I am taking, in this I am going to consider a right triangle ABD. Okay na? Here at angle D measures what na, 90 degrees. Then what I am doing, this is the main triangle. I am going to consider a right triangle. Consider a right triangle ABD. What is the triangle now? That is ABD. Right angle is at D. The length of AB is what, Nana? that is A units, and the length of BD is what? BD. The length of BD is A by 2. Okay. So we don't know the altitude, nothing but the height of AB we don't know. AD, the height of AD we don't know. We need to find the height of AD. See now what I am doing. Using Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem for this triangle ABD. Then what we get? The Pythagoras theorem states that the square of the hypotenuse is equals to side square plus side square. What is the hypotenuse here? The hypotenuse is AB. That is AB whole square is equals to one of the side is BD. So BD whole square plus another side is AD. That is AD whole square. Okay. Now see here, the length of AB is given A units, means that is A whole square is equals to the length of BD is, that is A by 2. A by 2 whole square plus the length of AD is not given, that is AD whole square. Okay. A whole square means that is A square minus A by 2 whole square means that is A square by A by 2 whole square means that is A square by 2 whole square means that is 4 plus here AD square. Now what I am doing, transposing A square by 4 from RHS to LHS. Then what I get here, A square ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ప్లస్ A square by 4 ఇటు సైడ్ వచ్చేస్తే it becomes minus A square by 4 is equals to that is AD square. Now I am taking a denominator as 1. We get LCM is what nana? ఇక్కడ మనకు వచ్చేసి LCM ఏమొస్తుంది? We get LCM is 4. Okay na? Here 1, the denominator 1, how many times in this LCM? 4 times. That's why with the 4 you multiply the numerator. 4 into A square, that is 4A square minus the denominator 4, how many times in this LCM? 4 ones are 1 time. So with 1 you multiply A square, that is 1A square, that is equals to AD square. Okay. Now 3A square minus A square means, 4A square minus A square means that is 3A square by 4 is equals to AD square. So both sides I am applying square root. Then we get root 3 separate ga, root A square, root 4 is equals to that is AD whole square. Okay na? Both sides, LHS side, RHS side, I applied square root. Okay na? Then square root cancel, square root cancel. Then what we get nana? ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది? Already root 3 is there. Root 3 here square root cancel means here A. Root 3A by root 4 means that is 2. Okay na? So clearly we get the length of AD. The length of AD is equals to that is root 3A by 2. So this is the required triangle. Now what we consider the triangle? That is ABD. The length of AB is A. The length of BD is A by 2. The length of AD what we get? root 3A. దాన్నే మనం ఇలా కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. A root 3 by 2. Okay. We know angle D measures 90 degrees. Angle B is 60 degrees. Angle A is that is what 30 degrees. Okay. Now finding the T ratios of 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Okay. Now see clearly, with respect to 60 degrees, it is very clear that with respect to 60 degrees, angle B, AD is the opposite side, BD is the adjacent side. hypotenuse is AB. With respect to 30 degrees, BD is the opposite side and AD is the adjacent side. It is clear that with respect to 60 degrees, AD is the opposite side and BD is the adjacent side. Adhe with respect to 30 degrees, BD is the opposite and AD is the adjacent. Hypotenuse anedi common. Okay na? First of all, I am finding sine 30 degrees. In sine ratio, that is what nana? The length of opposite side by the length of hypotenuse. For 30 degrees, which is the opposite side? The opposite side is, that is what? BD. That means what nana? A by 2 by the length of hypotenuse is what nana? That is A. So A cancel means that is 1 by 2. That is what nana? 1 by 2. And sine 30 degrees is equals to what we get? That is 1 by 2. And in the same manner, cos 30 degrees. Cos ratio, cos means that is adjacent side by hypotenuse. The length of the adjacent side to 30 degrees by the length of the hypotenuse to 30 degrees. That is adjacent side means what? That is AD. That is nothing but A root 3. A root 3 by 2 by hypotenuse means that is A. A cancel means cos 30 degrees is equals to that is root 3 by 2. Okay. In the same manner, tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is equals to that is what? The length of opposite side by the length of adjacent side. The length of opposite side to 30 degrees, that is BD. That is nothing but what nana? 30 degrees opposite side BD. That is nothing but A by 2 by the length of adjacent side, that is what? AD. That is nothing but A root 3 by 2. Okay now. So clearly A cancel. Okay now. Then we get that is 1 by 2 into a 2 root 3 by 2 kasta ulta అయిపోతే that is nothing but reciprocal 2 by root 3 అవుతుంది. 2 ones are 2 ones are cancel. So 1 into 1 1 by root 3. So tan 30 degrees is equals to what? That is 1 by root 3. In the same manner, sine ki reciprocal enti? That is cosecant theta. Ante sine ante opposite by hypotenuse kada, daniki ulta hypotenuse by opposite, that is 2 by 1. We get cosec 45 is equals to cosec 30 degrees is equals to we get 2 like that. Okay na? Atla manam try chesukovachu. Let us see that. I want cosecant 30. That is what nana? The length of hypotenuse. Deniki ulta reverse. Opposite by hypotenuse kasta reverse. Hypotenuse by opposite, that is A by 2. A cancel means that is 1 into 2 by 1. So 1 cancel means we get 2. So cosec 30 degrees is equals to what nana? That is 2. In the same manner, sec 30 degrees is equals to secant 30 degrees is equals to, that is the reciprocal of cos. That is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay. So that is equals to, what is the hypotenuse nana? Hypotenuse is A by adjacent side means that is A by A into root 3 by 2. Okay na? A cancel means we get 1 into root 3 by 2 kasta ulta, that is reciprocal means 2 by root 3. 1 into 2 by root 3, that is 2 by root 3. So sec 30, secant 30 is equals to, that is 2 by root 3. Okay. In the same manner, tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 na, we want to find cot 30 degrees. Cot means that is the reciprocal of tan. So that is simply the length of adjacent side by the length of opposite side. That is nothing but adjacent side is what? a root 3 by 2 by opposite side means what, Anna? That is a by 2. A cancel, that is equals to root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. Okay na? So 2 cancel means we get, that is cot 30 is equals to simply root 3. Is it clear? So like this we can find the t ratios of 30 degrees. You to take this time, next time, just now I taken 30 degrees. Now you take you consider 60 degrees. With respect to 60 degrees, AD is the opposite side and BD is the adjacent side and AC is the hypotenuse. Then find the t ratios of 60 degrees by using this diagram. Okay na students? So thank you.